You know what's really dangerous? If I swing this thing wrong, and it goes and hits my no-no spot.
Watch out!
Ah!
Oh, no.
What's going on, Cybertron? Welcome to 10 strange things on Amazon that Brian and I believe Gunnar found? Brian and Gunnar looked and found on Amazon. They've tried to look for some of the weirdest, strangest things that are for sale. And then I'm going to review them, look at them, and maybe even buy them so I can warn you before you buy them. Also, make sure you click the bell icon to get notified of when I upload videos, because when I upload a video, I will be commenting back for the first 30 minutes of every upload, and I will not comment back to, fake spam comments and like, oh my gosh, like this, it's broken. Just comment something real, Be a real person here, because I'm a real person. Rant over. First thing, Flickin Chicken includes 4 rubber chickens, a target disc, and a score pad. Great family game. Encourages physical activity. That's so sad. That's so sad that has to be in a product description nowadays. Encourages physical movement. Is it bocce? What? Wait, was that a rubber chicken? What the heck? People are just throwing rubber chickens. Flickin' Chicken!
Take turns tossing their rubber chicken.
Did she just kick it? Did you just punt a chicken? What? What in the world? Grandma's gonna get hurt for real, dude.
The player with the lowest score wins. It's that simple and so much fun. Flickin' Chicken!
Someone walks up and they're like, what are you doing? I'm just flicking the chicken. They're gonna call the cops on you, right? How big is the target? How heavy is the target? Should I be concerned in wind? Maybe if it's fart wind. Okay, no educational value, but the quality of family time. I'm sorry, but if you need Flickin' Chicken to restore your family's quality time, I don't know, man. You got bigger issues, right? Game was boring and 2 out of the 4 chickens ruined after 3 games. Bought this after reading all the reviews and thought it would be a fun game for kids to play at the party. The kids got bored with it really fast, not worth it. It's just so weird that you would buy a product. It didn't entertain my kids at all. Stupid product. 3 out of the 4 chickens' head came off in the first game. I took them camping and thought it would be a lot of fun. A letdown. It's a good idea, but needs improvement. Here's my question, right? Does it matter if the chicken's head comes off? I don't know. We're gonna have to find out because I'm gonna add that to the cart. Oh, what is this? Multiple award winner. What? Multiple awards won by the Flickin' Chicken, dude. Let's see the quality of these chickens. How does the head come off? You gotta be really throwing it by the head or something. I mean, it seems all right. Do you want to go play around?
What?
Dude, let's flick the chicken together. It's gonna be a friendly game, all right?
Friendly?
This guy always freaks out. Team edge, dude. He's always got to win. It's a friendly game, all right? I'm gonna toss this. Wow. The closest we can flick the chicken to that little penalty thing. Ready? Flick your chicken, dude. Quit stalling.
From the head.
From the head.
Oh.
This isn't. Oh wow,
Whoa.
dude.
That's a
Yeah, see, they bounce. That's the issue. Watch.
You're like the grandma did.
I'm way closer.
Remember
Grandma shot. She did it under the leg. Dude, that
Oh my
sucks, man.
God.
Watch, I'm gonna go under the leg.
Okay, well,
I have better grouping, dude. I have better grouping.
It's first to the hole, so we still.
First to the hole?
Yeah.
You just made that up. You just want to flick your chicken more, dude. That's what you get, dude, for cheating. Next item, keyboard waffle iron. This is definitely weird. So if you make a waffle, you can make it into a keyboard.
My product is called the Keyboard Waffle Iron. It is a stovetop waffle iron that makes computer keyboard shaped waffles. I'm talking gourmet Belgian style waffles that inspire
I'm talking gourmet Belgian style. Control Alt Delicious. Control Alt Delicious. That's clever. That's clever. 1 star. But why? Unfortunately, aluminum. Aluminum should never be used for cooking. It can have serious health risks, including types of cancer. Actually, that is slightly true. 5 stars. Apply syrup to enable sticky keys. I have to use the on-screen keyboard to write this review because Bluetooth not detecting a keyboard, but it still gets 5 stars because the keys give plenty of tactile feedback. Just makes a keyboard and he's like, it's not working. It's not working. I was gonna buy it, but then for some reason I didn't because I thought it'd be too difficult to make waffles in the office. But Jonathan Morrison, channel down in the description below, go check him out. He actually bought one of these and tested it out. So go check out that video. That link will be in the description below. It's pretty funny and it looks delicious, and I'm a little bummed out that I didn't try it. Accoutrements Squirrel Coffee Cup. Okay, so this is a coffee cup for a squirrel. I don't really know what the deal is with that. I just don't get it. What's the need for it? As you sit down for your morning coffee, have you ever considered sharing it with the squirrels? No, I haven't actually. Just pour a little hazelnut coffee in this porcelain squirrel coffee cup, set it down on your window ledge and wait for the squirrel to come and enjoy it with you. Oh my gosh, could you imagine? Is this coffee cup microwave and dishwasher safe? Ha ha ha! Amazon sent this question for me to answer. Our squirrels don't have microwaves, so I don't know. This is one of the most ridiculous things I've ever spent money on, but totally worth it. Love it. It was all fun and games until he took it up the tree and onto my roof. There's a little picture of a squirrel here that totally stole it. Man, that squirrel's huge. Or maybe that cup's tiny. I actually haven't seen it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at it.
They actually had squirrels drinking out of it.
All right, so let's test this one out. Proceed to checkout. Nope.
Add to cart.
Add to cart. Oh my gosh, you're gonna break it. The little squirrel coffee cup. Squirrel approved, world's smallest. Fills his tiny mug with coffee and set it on your back porch so your squirrel friends can enjoy a morning cup of coffee with you. That's awesome, dude. That is awkward. Why did it need such a big bag? Just for the branding. Let's show you how small this puppy is. See how tiny this little guy is? It's so tiny, OMG. It's from China. I'm gonna try to make my normal coffee right here, which is a mocha. So I'm gonna try to make a mocha in this. Time to make some coffee. I have it set right here. And I'm gonna make, the lowest I can go is a 4-ounce cup, and I don't even think that's half an ounce. So we're gonna have to do a swap. All right, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do a little swap here. Try not to burn myself. Because I don't want to waste coffee. Oh, it's so hot. Ah, there we go.
Oh, okay.
I got a little, I filled it up a bit too much. Because I'm gonna try and make a mocha here, right? And I can do this. Look, see that? Look at that. You see that milk in there? Looks good, man, looks good. Cocoa powder, just a bit. I'm just gonna sprinkle it in there. I'm just gonna sprinkle that in there. Final touch is how I usually make my mocha, is I spin it, I stir it. This is a frother, right? Oh, gosh. I guess you can't froth squirrel coffee. There's a little left. Oh, that's not good. Custom Nicolas Cage pillowcase, standard size. Oh my gosh. See you in my dreams. That's creepy, dude. I'm not gonna lie to you right now. That's super creepy.
How'd it get burned? How'd it get burned? How'd it get burned? How'd it get burned?
I don't know!
Guarantee you this is not authorized. Like, they have not authorized to put Nick Cage's face on a pillowcase. Pillowcase. Wow, I'm just like, why would someone want that? Maybe as like a meme, kind of like as a joke? Can someone post a picture of it? I hear it has low resolution and I'd like to see what it looks like in real life if it's not too much trouble. Hello, all the pictures are printed on it and it is clearly, thank you. Someone clearly wanted someone to buy it and take a picture of it so they could see the quality of the product. And they're like, no, the picture is on the product. The smooth texture and high resolution make and feel like Nick is really in bed with me. This made me one happy mom. What? Oh my, it's a huge pillow. And that guy is falling asleep on it. Can you imagine sleeping with that face right next to you? Next product. Accoutrements bacon flavored toothpicks. Best seller. Unless it's actually bacon, I can't stand bacon flavored anything. It's just not good. It's just not good. 80 toothpicks, bacon flavored, comes in its own tin with a slide off lid. These slender sticks of wood are generously flavored with the unparalleled drool-inducing flavor of bacon. Great idea. This is a great idea for a product. I'm a huge lover of bacon, but they really didn't get the taste or smell right. It tastes like dog food. See, that's what it always, the fake bacon always tastes like dog food. Me no want. This is terrible. Doesn't even smell like bacon. It smells more like smoked pieces of crap. When I bought this, I thought they would smell good and at least have a decent taste, but trust me, they don't. These never made it into my mouth because the smell made me sick. I had to throw them away, and I love bacon. Yuck. Well, let's try it out. Add to cart. Bacon flavored toothpicks. Not much to it. Approximately 80 bacon flavored birchwood toothpicks. Let's find out if they are actually horribly scented. I can't get this thing open, dude. There we go.
No, you slide it.
Oh. I even read that it was a slide off lid, bro.
Comes in its own tin with a slide off lid.
Oh, whew. Holy mackerel. Stinky. Wall monkey, senior woman with asthma inhaler peel and stick wall decals. Okay, so this is a meme, obviously, right? And I think the meme came from those image stock websites because this same woman can be seen with a gun. This is such a popular meme that you can get it in a huge wall, extra large 48 by 41 wall posters. That is incredible. She's just a beautiful woman, just confident, elderly, excited for the inhaler. There's a slight smile, I can see it. A slight smile. Why would anyone buy this? Not everyone gets it, nor should they. You think I'm odd for buying this? I am sad for you that you don't understand it. Someone just got all shook. Why would anyone buy this? Someone's like, hey, this is awesome. It's the best meme ever, okay? Please. How easy is it to get off? Why would you want to take it off, weirdo? Put it up right next to my framed oil painting of an old man measuring his pills into a daily dispenser. Looks amazing. I was looking for a large wall decal of a stock photo of a woman using an inhaler, and this fits the bill perfectly. Thank you. It came quickly, it was easy to apply, and it looks great on the wall. Only downside is if you have a semi-textured surface, it will not stick. Wow, they're being like legit with this review.
Yeah.
They like actually bought it and they're like, this is good. I want this on my wall forever. And ever and ever. Edible dehydrated zebra tarantula. Oh my gosh. Actual product packaging materials may contain more or different information than what is shown on our website? What does that mean? So like you open it up and it's like, oh, by the way, this particular one that's in it is not edible, it's poisonous, so don't eat it. Are the spiders male? As a feminist, I could never eat a female spider. Are these organic/organic fed or wild? Really? Forget bacon bits, these things are delicious as topping on salads. Never again, waste of money. I bought this and to my surprise, it tastes like a spider. Sick. I'm thoroughly disgusted. Absolutely delicious, yum yum. It tastes like beef jerky, but the aftertaste is rancid, though I still wanted another one without the salt on it, or better seasoning. Oh, disgusting. Which means let's see if we can get anyone to eat it. Add to cart. Let's get into this, guys. Zebra tarantula. Cooked and dehydrated with a light dusting of salt. I assume that it's a legit tarantula. It feels like nothing, it's light and it feels like nothing's in it. Oh, it's in there. Ha!
Oh!
I don't like spiders, bro. But I'm going to... I will get over my fear. If you don't like spiders, this is the time code that you can skip to. If you want to skip this part. It's better if I just don't look while I'm touching it. Look at that. Oh. Let's go see if we can get anyone at the office to try this. Kevin, do you have what it takes, the guts, to try zebra tarantula?
Like, do I have to eat it?
You have to take a bite.
Just a bite.
I mean, you don't have to.
I'll do it for a bite, but I can't eat the whole thing.
I'm not asking you to eat the whole thing, dude.
Yes, I have the guts.
Oh!
Oh, that's gross, bro.
Just take a little bite.
I thought it was chocolate. I thought you were kidding with me.
No, it's a tarantula. Now that you know it's actually real.
Yeah,
Are you gonna back out?
I don't know if I have the guts. I mean,
You thought it was chocolate. I have the guts to do it. I got the guts to do it.
I thought it was chocolate, man.
Oh, the hairy legs.
Yeah, those are hairy legs.
It smells. No. All right.
He said no.
Let's try the next person. Next person.
Oh.
No.
Okay, Mike said no.
It's actually a tarantula.
It's edible.
Oh, that
fully-
makes me feel better.
Fully edible.
Oh, okay. Are you sure it's edible?
Yeah. Absolutely, 100%. Oh my gosh! No!
No!
No, dude! Oh! Really? Is that a real gag?
Mm-hmm.
Go spit it out, dude.
Oh! Oh!
I puked in my mouth.
Oh!
He said he puked in his mouth.
He puked in his mouth.
I just saw him puke in the sink.
Well, here's something for you, dude. To get all that stuff out, here's some toothpicks you can use.
Kevin saw the puke in the...
Ew.
There's a toothpick for you.
Oh! It reeks.
Why? It's just a normal toothpick. LARP, gears, Halloween party costume, full head, animal mask, latex, duck mask for kids. Except an adult's wearing it. And it is ginormous. Oh my gosh, why is that so creepy? What are they doing? Kids mask, also suitable for a petite adult. Soft and easy to wear. See through the mask's eyes and the mouse's hole. I think they meant mouth. I think they meant mouth because there's a hole in the mouth. I love this thing. I thought it was really creepy and I could sneak up on people and spook them. So far, however, no one has been even the least bit scared, but I think it's still awesome. Call me a quack, I don't care. Quack! Tad difficult to see out of, but perhaps my head is a bit lumpy. That's good stuff, that's good stuff. I don't think I'm gonna get this. That's just too creepy. Empower Skipfit. Laugh, sweat, and feel like a kid again when you tone your lower body and burn as many calories as running. But what about your upper body? What if you want your upper body tone, huh? Does that not do anything for you? Patent pending design. Perfect for instant recess. What does that mean? So what you do is you put this on your leg and it's like jump rope, but you like swing it around. I bet it's way more difficult than it looks. Ooh, look, we got a video. I love videos.
Now you can laugh, sweat, and feel like a kid again. With the Skipfit from Empower Fitness,
that looks like it takes a lot of coordination.
Compact and portable, you can take Skipfit anywhere for a quick cardio workout.
Is it for children and adults? The box says adults only. I bought it for my granddaughter, but didn't give it to her for that reason. And because it said California says it contained materials known to be harmful. Some glitches, but overall fun way to work out. Wish it came with willpower. I need to use it more. The band snapped as I was using it. Displeased. Displeased. I'm so displeased. Let's try it. Add to cart. Skip the gym for a calorie-crushing workout that is just as effective as running, but way more fun. 5-minute move approved. Burn up to 330 calories when used for 5 minutes. Oh, 5 times per day. Oh wait, look, there's a little asterisk. Proven to burn as many calories as running 6.7 miles per hour. Is that fast?
That's a decent pace. I highly doubt that.
Hey man, he's the one with a degree in kinesiology. You can't argue with Brian.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Broke it.
I did not break it, did I? No, I didn't break it. We're gonna try it out.
Here?
Yeah, right here. So here's what I wanna do. I'm gonna put it around my ankle.
I'm not saying, I don't think you have the coordination to do this.
I have very good coordination, Brian. I'm thinking I'm gonna have it go.
Whoa, that's deadly if it hits somebody.
It got, ow! What the heck, dude? You know what's really dangerous? If I swing this thing wrong, and it goes and hits my no-no spot. I bet this is just as...
Oh, hey, watch my no-no spot. Watch out.
Ah!
Oh, no, this.
Mama!
Oh, he's getting serious now.
I'm getting serious now.
Oh, oh. It's gonna whack you in the face, dude. It's gonna whack you.
Oh, that scared me. I got super scared, bro. That's a lot of exercise, man. Mini desktop cannon pocket artillery. CNC machine, stainless steel barrel, black anodized aluminum base, brass hardware. What is this like? Is this real? Does it shoot? That's what I want to know. For the person that has everything, a desktop mini cannon makes an awesome paperweight. So if I put a desktop mini cannon on my desk, right? And I can like set it somehow so that like when anyone comes in my office, it'll just shoot like a cannonball at them. But cool toy for big kids. Really works. Need a little practice, but cool toy. What? Useless, but not worth returning. Was not the size I expected. Absolutely terrible. I got maybe 5 shots out of it before it quit firing, and it didn't shoot very hard at all. It didn't even dent an aluminum can. Also spent...
Oh, jeez, dude.
So sadly, I'm not gonna get that one, but it seems pretty pointless, but it does seem like it actually shoots, which is kind of cool. Guys, make sure you click that video right there. It is the last 10 weird and strange things found on Amazon that we did. Also, if you haven't seen that video before, make sure you click subscribe if you're new here, because we make videos like this 3 times a week. High five. Oops, missed. High five. Whoa, oh, high five.